Welcome back to my channel. Let's join the top of this beautiful hat together. Let me know your questions or suggestions in the comments below. So let's close the top of our hat or beanie. Let's start by cutting the extra yarn to sew it'll. So we will take triple of this and then cut the yarn. First, pull the tail out. And then thread the needle. Alright, so now we're gonna go through back parts only. So this is the last one, so we're gonna go from here. So from inside the hat, so this is the outside. And this is inside of our hat. So we're gonna go through the inside once. And then skip to 1, 2, and then go to the next one. Just like that. And then again. From here. From the inside. Then skip 1, 2. Then through the next one. Then skip through 1, 2. Then just pull it tight. Then just repeat sew from the inside. Skip to stitches from the outside. From the inside, skip to from the outside. Then just pull it tight to close. And the very last one, and then bring the needle inside. And then with your other hand inside. So now pull it from the inside, so pull this tail. And then just make a knot to secure it. Before you make a knot, make sure to pull it tight again. And hold it and then pull your needle from the inside. And make a knot. That's it. And then just weave in the ends and a couple more knots.